Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. We are starting off 2020 with this frosted glass design that is inspired by one of my absolute favorite nail companies, Young Nails. So we are going to be using their products for this one. I am starting off with Manicure Matte, and I am painting this on an Aprés long sculpted coffin nail, and I did prep the nail by just buffing off the shine. I did not put a base coat. I just went directly in with the matte. Then after you wipe off the dispersion layer, you're going to come in with your Manicure white gloss, and we're going to paint that down about, I'd say, 2/3 to 3/4 of the nail. You don't want to go all the way down because we do want to fade it out towards the tip to make it frosted. So in order to do that, before you cure, you're going to paint on your Manicure top coat, and then you're going to blend the two together to kind of make them softly ombre into each other. It's basically the same effect as a gradient or an ombre. To blend the two colors, I'm just using a really old frayed detail brush. You can use one of those ombre brushes. You just got to really work the polish, basically. So then after you like what you have, you're going to cure that, and then you're just going to do it again. I saw this done a couple of days ago on the Young Nails YouTube channel. However, they did do it with acrylic. So right away, I thought I need to figure out how I can get this effect with gel. And I do want to say I did try a couple other techniques before this that did not work. I tried the same technique I used for the smoke nails, using alcohol to try to fade it out, and it really just didn't give that smooth transition that I was looking for. And then I also tried using a makeup sponge to fade it out, you know, the way you would do with regular polish, a gradient with regular polish. And it just really didn't give the nice faded effect either. So then finally I was thinking to myself, I'm like, how do I do this? And then I thought, you know what, I'm just going to try the way I would a normal gel gradient. And voila, we figured her out. So to get the effect that I really wanted, I did have to do 3 coats, which was absolutely fine. Normally, I mean, a lot of times with gel, I do 3 coats anyways if it's a thin polish. So that was absolutely fine. This is the last coat here. I'm just blending the two together. I'm thinking I really want to do this with like a bright cobalt blue. I think that would look really awesome with like a bright blue fading out to a clear nail. So now we're just putting on the final top coat. I am using Manicure still. And Manicure does have a dispersion layer, so we're just going to wipe that off. And there you go, our beautiful frosted nail. To me, it looks just like the one that was done by Young Nails with acrylic. Now, I also wanted to show you here. You see that you can still see the number 1 on the nail underneath. So to make that disappear, you just paint it over with some clear polish. And bye-bye. Goodbye, number 1. So there's a little tip for you too. You can just paint it out. Obviously, you're going to cure it, wipe off the dispersion layer, and then the number disappears. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Happy New Year, and good luck to you in 2020. Bye-bye.